Hey, welcome back in, guys. Today we're making a grilled chicken and bacon sandwich in the air fryer. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys, so what we have here, we have 4 chicken breasts and we have some thick cut bacon. We're going to season them up with some of that Uncle Steve's Shake, the spicy R, and we're also going to use some Weber honey garlic seasoning. If you look at my chicken breasts, that you can see they're pretty well all uniformly cut. These have been butterflied. I actually get these like this from a distributor that I have for my business. So these are really small. They're perfect for sandwiches or individual pieces. If you cannot get them similar to this, just take your chicken breast, your boneless, skinless breast, and cut it in half. That way you can have it pretty much all even, all the way through, and it'll cook evenly when you're doing your cooking. Go ahead and season them nice and liberally. Flip it over and repeat the process. Again, use your favorite seasoning. If you can't get hold of what I have, go ahead and just use your favorite seasoning. That Weber honey garlic is pretty much available anywhere: Walmart, Sam's Club, your local grocery store. And the spicy R from Uncle Steve's, I can leave a link in the description. That way you can pick some of that up. It's really good stuff. Once you've got your chicken seasoned up, what we're going to do is we're going to take our bacon and we're just going to wrap it around the chicken. We're going to take 2 pieces of bacon per breast. Again, with this being thick cut, it's going to be just the perfect amount of bacon to chicken ratio. So what you want to do, grab 1 slice of each, and you're just going to put it into like a cross pattern. Just like so. And you're going to take your breast and lay it right on top of that bacon, right smack dab in the center, and then go ahead and fold your bacon on top of your breast. Once you get your bacon on, we're just going to take a toothpick and we're going to run it right through the middle there to hold that bacon on while we're cooking. Chicken bacon sandwiches or bacon chicken clubs or stuff like that, they're really good. It's one of my favorite sandwiches, hot sandwiches anyway. I'm not the biggest fan of hot sandwiches, but I do like hot bacon chicken or chicken bacon sandwiches or chicken bacon clubs, and I love a nice hot Italian sub from time to time. So I'm just going to finish doing this. I'm only going to do 3. I'm going to make 1 without the bacon. My son doesn't eat bacon, and then we'll meet you at the air fryer. All right, guys, so we're just going to set up my air fryer for chicken breast. Now, if your air fryer doesn't have that setting automatically, go ahead and put it at 360 degrees, and we're going to cook it for about 16 minutes. You can go a little bit higher if you like, but just make sure that you don't overcook your chicken. So once the air fryer is heated up, what we're going to do is spray the bottom down with some cooking spray, and we're going to layer each breast on the bottom of that cooking grate. The more air you have in between each one, the better. That way you can make sure that you get an overall even cook and get that bacon pretty crispy while you're cooking your breast as well. This recipe is really good. The chicken breast always comes out very moist and the bacon is cooked just right. So after about 8 minutes or so, we're going to go ahead on and flip our chicken. You can see now it's starting to get a really nice color on it. So we're just going to flip it over, put it back in the air fryer, and continue to let it go until it's complete. Alright guys, that chicken is done. And just look how that looks. Beautiful color on it. That bacon is cooked up nice and beautiful. Now let's go ahead and assemble us a sandwich. So for our sandwich, I like if you've watched my channel for a while, I like my sandwiches pretty basic. This one is actually going to be from my daughter. We have a nice soft brioche bun here. It's been lightly toasted. We're going to grab one of those chicken breasts out of the air fryer. And you can see how juicy it is. You can see the juices is running off of it as we put it on the bread there. It's piping hot. We're going to lay that down. We're just going to add in a couple pieces of leaf lettuce, some thinly sliced tomatoes, and a couple red onions. I love red onions. I love that pop of flavor it gives you. Some people don't like red onions. If you don't like red, you can just use regular Vidalia onion or just leave the onion off if you all together. Just make it up how you like. But this to me is the perfect way to make a sandwich. Every once in a while I may add some jalapeno or some pickles to it as well, or pepperoncinis. But like I said, this one here is for my daughter. It's gonna put a thin layer of mayo on top. And we're gonna cap it off. Let's get a good look at that. Looks like something you'll get from a restaurant, and I tell you, it tastes even better. I want to go ahead and cut into it for you so you can just get a good look at the inside. You can see how juicy this breast is. Cooked to perfection. No dry chicken. You know, when you're dealing with chicken breast, sometimes it's even easy to overcook it. You wind up with a dry breast, but not right here. This thing is so juicy and moist. Just look at that. That's going to be perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Leave some comments down below. Give this one a try. It's really good, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. God bless.